Hello everyone, Sean Herrick here with PrairieGrit. Today I want to walk you through a couple of the new features of the website. Essentially, I know that not much has been happening with this website here, wise, and the reason why is we have been developing this website
in the background. And essentially what's going to happen is we're going to roll all this data into
this website the next week or two, and just wanted to show you some of the new features and let you know what to expect. Having said that, I'm going to go ahead and hop right in. We have a new website design. Obviously, there's a nice, updated look. Gives you more options like add to cart right here, add to a wish list, which we could essentially start marketing to people that add products to the wish list and don't purchase. So that'll help boost sales. And the home page looks pretty good. There are a couple things that aren't updated, like these images here, but those will be in the next week or so. And new footer, payment options, that kind of thing. So essentially what I'm going to do is just get started here, and I'm going to click into one of these items to show you around. What's really nice about this is there's a nice category structure on the left hand here, where if you go and click into these, they will pop open. So lamps, lighting, lanterns, so you can filter it down a little bit easier. There's a lot, there's a different layouts you can look at. Your users or the buyers can look at different layouts. There's default sorting, sort by popularity, average rating, newness, low to high, high to low. Those are all good things, as we all know, being online shoppers. So let's say I'm interested in this item. I'm going to add it to my wish list, and the product's added. I'm going to add this to my wish list, and the product's added. So now I'm going to go ahead and browse my wish list. And as you can see, I have numerous items in the wish list that essentially, buyers can come in here, save things to their wish list, and eventually we'll be able to tie in to market them to purchase these items. We have a streamlined social media interface here, and recently viewed items, which is very helpful and converts quite well. Take you to the product page, show you a couple things there. So as you can see, it's a pretty clean layout. You have all of your images here. I do believe you can add up to 11 images. You have your description, you have your shipping information, ships within 1 day. You have the ability to send each other messages. So if a buyer has a question, they can go ahead and, hi, will you take an offer on this? They can go ahead and come in here and ask that question, and it's going to submit, and that gives the seller, the ability to answer that question. And then seller info. Here we're going to pull in a little bit more information than what's currently shown. We're going to have the seller, the store name. We're going to have the your city and state, and maybe have your ratings. Obviously the ratings are here, but as soon as there's none in this for this website yet, so as soon as we get ratings, your seller ratings will be shown there. And there's also a nice cool upsell related products toolbar here, as you can see. So I'm going to go ahead and add this to the cart because I really want this lamp. And I'm going to view cart. The cart process and the checkout process is, very much streamlined. I'm going to go ahead and add some information in here. so I can show you guys that we're, you can order the product right here, place your order. What's going to happen is a pop-up's going to come up. And this is where you put your payment information. And then click pay. And that's how easy it is for a buyer to purchase. It's much more streamlined than the last website. Now I'm going to go into the seller tools, which is, we're really excited about the seller tools. It gives you a lot more options and that kind of thing. Here's your dashboard. This is, your interface where you can see sales, earnings, page views, orders. It's going to show you sales, daily for the month. It's going to show you total sales, completed sales, pending, processed, canceled, refunded, on hold. There's now a process to do refunds and that kind of thing. And the ability to update your reviews, the reviews that come in, and the products. Shows you how many you have live, how many total, how many offline, how many pending review. Just a lot more functionality, a lot more features. Products, you can go ahead and come in here, and essentially what you can do here is just add a new product. Product name, price. Another feature that we added is the discount price. So if I wanted to, I'm going to go ahead and edit this one quick. If I wanted to run a discount, let's say over the holiday season here or whenever, I can come in here and just go ahead and update the product. Another cool feature here is you can have it in multiple categories. Obviously, you don't want to put it in a category that's not relevant. We'll be watching that closely, and we'll ask you to remove a category, or we'll remove the category. But you can just come in here and basically add it to any category that you would like. And it's really nifty that you can come in here and just search. So you can add it to numerous categories, which is very, very helpful. All of this is going to be gone in the next week, but anyway, this information here. Go ahead and put in your description, that kind of thing. Now, another cool feature I'll show you here after I show you what this looks like on the front side. And you can come to this website now and browse around, but don't do anything with like an account or anything, because all of that's going to be wiped out before we launch. And like I said, this URL is going to change. It's going to be PrairieGrit.com. So I want to show you guys there's a discount you can see running. On this page, and then you can see here that it's $10. Well, it's 15. It's a good way to get people to purchase. Offering a discount. And then you have inventory, where if you're creating a product in our handmade section where you're mass producing items, you can go ahead and put a quantity SKU. You can put that it's in stock. You can take back orders if you want. So you can list stuff that you don't actually have, as long as you're going to get it, and take back orders. As far as shipping goes, the shipping has changed. We're going to work on updating this rather quickly, right after launch, but essentially what you got to do is put in just flat rate shipping. That's what we're using right now. and then attributes. You're going to be able to add different sizes and colors and that kind of thing into your products, which is, it's going to be nice. Take you to the order section. This order section, these are all test orders that I did, but it'll give you a good breakdown of all of your orders, which is kind of nice. You can take action over here. And you can request a refund. What that does is it sends a refund up to the admin, which would be myself and the people working here, and we would accept or deny that refund. That's just to show in your books that it was refunded, so it cleans up your reporting. Here's another deal where you can add a coupon code, which, as you can see, I created this one. It's called Huge Major Discount, and what this does is you can do your own promotion and that kind of thing, email newsletters, email blasts, and you can let people know that if you use Huge Major Discount in the cart, that they'll get a discount. You have a reporting section, which basically is another iteration of what you saw on the dashboard. It's all your sales, earnings, that kind of thing. Reviews, same thing. We're running subscriptions now. So here's the subscriptions that will be offered: $20 a month, $75 a month, or $200 a month. $200 a month, you're getting unlimited listings. Tools. There's an import-export deal there, and settings. This is where you want to come to set up your store. You want to put your payment information in here. You know, you can add some social media stuff, some store SEO, and your shipping, your store-wide shipping information. Also, you can add a banner and all of your details right here. So yeah, that's the new website in a nutshell. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. Let me know. One of the things I wanted to mention to everybody is that we are, anybody that wants to sell on the website, or anybody that's currently selling on PrairieGrit, we're going to grandfather you in, where we're going to put your listings onto this website. And but it's up to you to come in here and to purchase a subscription. You won't be able to list anymore until you purchase a subscription, because that's just the way our model is right now. And additionally, you know, we're not going to charge a sale fee anymore. So that 3% charge that we were charging for each purchase or each sale, we won't be charging that anymore. It's just going to be a straight subscription, and you know, we're confident that product will move. We haven't had a chance to really get in there and market this website too heavily. We've been testing a lot of things, and obviously been busy building this new website. So once this thing is launched, we will hit the grindstone and start advertising heavily, doing a lot of organic SEO, a lot of grassroots marketing, that kind of thing. So at any rate, you know, we can't do it without you. We thank you for your support. We hope that you like these new features, and we can't do it without you. So make sure to get the name out there as soon as this thing launches. We'd greatly appreciate it, and it's going to be a niche site. It's going to stay niche, which is a big benefit. So at any rate, thank you for your